So I was reading this book, $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, but it has this tagline that fire your boss, do what you love, and work better to live more. There is this picture of a cycle carrying $100 bag. So this book has this author is a businessman left. Like he does business as a free will that usually works at the remote places and is not bound to be at 9 to 5 desk, and he loves doing that sort of work. So he is also a spokesperson. So he conducted an uh, research kind of research or met so many entrepreneurs around the world wherever he goes, and he ask questions regarding how they run their business, how small business owner has formed their business, what idea made me start that business, and how they how they actually decided to do that business, what they particularly are doing, and how they learn in the systems. So this man has conducted, this author has conducted so many of case studies, and throughout the books you can see different characters popping up and discussing about their business. Or the author met in some author actually met in real life, actually met them in some point of his life and asked them about all the details of the business. So there are several persons like Chris, Gary, the Megan, and so many people are there who has different styles of business. Some has clothing business, some has accessory business, some has carpet business, and how they have formed. So basically what authors tell, or what author tells us, is that he just encouraged us to start the business from whatever idea we have. We can merge our passion to the business. That can also be a thing, or maybe what is actually need in the market, the need and the gap is also a that can also give us an idea that what should we start and what can be feasible for us. So there is no definition that what how a good business should run, and what business is good and where to invest and where not to invest. That is not the thing. The author tells that anyone can make profitable business from any idea they have. They just have to be passionate about what they are doing, and uh, with logic, passion with logic, he says that. So this is the book. This is good book. I was reading